Welcome to Setup Mastery, your go-to channel for all things tech. Here, we explore the latest gadgets, unbox cutting-edge devices, and provide step-by-step installation guides to help you optimize your setup. Subscribe now and join our journey to master the art of perfect setups. In today's video, we'll walk you through the simple process of setting up the Nextbox LazyPro Wi-Fi Extender using the WPS method. This method is incredibly fast and hassle-free, ideal for anyone who wants a quick and easy setup without dealing with complicated manual configurations. Let's dive right in. Let's begin by unboxing the Nextbox LazyPro Wi-Fi Extender. Inside the package, you'll find the extender unit, a comprehensive user manual to guide you through setup, and a power adapter. Double-check to ensure all components are included before we proceed with the installation. To begin, plug the Nextbox LazyPro Wi-Fi Extender into a power outlet near your router. Give it a moment for the power light to turn on and stabilize. This confirms that the extender is powered up and ready for the setup process. Next, find the WPS button on your router, usually located on the back or side. Press and hold the button for approximately 2 to 3 seconds. You'll see the router's WPS light start blinking, signaling that the WPS function is now active and ready to connect. Now, move to the extender and locate its WPS button. Press and hold the button for about 2 seconds. The WPS light on the extender will begin blinking, indicating that it's actively trying to establish a connection with your router. Once the extender is successfully connected, unplug it and move it to a location that's halfway between your router and the area with weak Wi-Fi coverage. Plug the extender back into a power outlet and wait for both the power and signal lights to stabilize, indicating it's ready to boost your Wi-Fi signal. Now, connect your devices to the extended network. Look for the network name, which will typically have _ext added to your original Wi-Fi name. Once connected, test the Wi-Fi signal in the previously weak areas to ensure the extender is boosting the coverage effectively. If you run into any issues or need assistance, our team of experienced professionals is here to help. Don't hesitate to reach out to us for support or guidance with any setup or troubleshooting needs. We're just a phone call away at 1-323-507-3713. And that's it. You've successfully set up the Nextbox LazyPro Wi-Fi Extender using the WPS method. It's fast, efficient, and hassle-free. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.